You're asleep.
Only my eyes.
And my
Hello
arm.
there, welcome to another day. It is, what day is it? Thursday. Forget what day it is sometimes, you know. Look, you're on camera, say hi. The battery's already low. Hard keeping up with the GoPro because the battery runs out pretty fast. And the memory card is like 16 gigs, so. Anyways, whatever, welcome to another day. Today we're doing more rafters and actually more joists and then the rafters as well as nailing some stuff, so that's fun and I'm excited and sore and tired. So thank y'all for coming and watching and hanging out with me. I appreciate y'all. If you don't know by now, maybe this is your first video, I'm building a home extension, DIY home extension. Here we go. This is about a week and so in, and we made some good progress so far. It's been fun, and I'm definitely more tired than I thought I would be doing it. The goal though is to get this done in about 2 months, get 90% of it done, and be able to start doing the inside flooring. So hopefully we can get to that point in 2 months, because if not, then I gotta, go back to work and make some real money. So yeah, the goal of this is to build it out and to live in it for another year, this whole house, and then we're going to sell it, which then will mark the 2-year point, and then we can get the tax cuts for selling it, for living it in 2 years, and then hopefully we can sell it for a lot more than what we purchased for it and a lot more than what we're building this for. So if that interests you, hit the subscribe and I'll talk through all the financials and stuff, and we'll just build and stuff. So if it doesn't interest you, just subscribe anyways, because it helps the brother out. And if you like merch, I got this cool hat and a couple shirts and stuff like that. You can check out in the link in the description. So without further ado, let's kick it.
I'm really fucking with all of your energy. Highly pursued, but I don't let it get to me. They say the start of us might be the end of me. I don't read minds, but I see signs. Johnny and June, and we walking the line. Remember you best with.
Maybe it's love.
Alright, the rafters are done. The ceiling joists. I always forget the two, but I'm starting to get it. The ceiling joists, the joists, ceiling joists, rafters, roof rafters. Take notes. Should make a shirt. Those are done. Mostly done. Now it's time to do the nail gunning in the top plate and secure the ceiling joist. Almost broke my wrist there. So I'm putting, these are the rafters. I'm trying to figure out what the best way is to get them up there. They're long, 24 feet, but I need to get up there and get the bird's mouth where I want them to be. Yeah, and I already straightened up the top wall up there, so everything's plumb and fresh, flush. So that's good. So now it's just getting those up. Should I go up the roof? Should I go on the side? I don't know. You'll see here in a second. Alright, it's 19 inches on both sides, so I'll make the cuts there. Kind of a pain to get those up there. I'm still trying to figure out the best way without trying to kill myself, because the first time did not work very good. So, where's the sun? There's the sun. So yeah, 19 inches on both sides, I'll cut it, bird's mouth, and then we'll just do the rest of them the same exact way. So, pretty easy. I wonder if I can get it done today. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. You might find out today though. Just scroll a little bit, you know. Alrighty. Hey y'all. Alright, we got one rafter up. Hoorah! It's not attached, but I got the bird mouse in there. So I'll just copy those for the rest of the roof. So yeah, it's gonna look pretty good. Now this roof is it's not very steep. It's the other word. It's a 12.2. Usually the lowest is like 12.3. But my architect said 12.2, so that's what we're gonna do, and I think it'll look pretty good. Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna start doing I keep saying we're gonna nail the top plate in and the rest of the joist in. Well, now we're actually gonna do that. Now I haven't used the nail gun in a few days, and I miss it. It's pretty fun to use the nail gun, which I never had used before now. So let's get that nail gun. Let's get it going.
For what I've done, took what you treasure, and I'm never gonna give it up. I left these empty streets and hide within the shadows. You think I'm low, but you don't know how low I'll go.
Ow. Ow.
I'm the villain. All the money in the world cannot protect you from me. You can flee, but never will you be free from me. I'm everywhere you look, you never will escape me. So come at me, 'cause I'm the villain. I've been hunting for it, I've been planning for it. I'm the villain. Take it. I've been hunting for it. I've been planning for it. I'm the villain. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. They won't know the day. World's ours to take. Will come when they least expect.
Well, hello there. It's the afternoon. It's about, what time is it? 4 o'clock. Sheesh. And I just got all the top plate nailed, finally. And I got all the joists toe nailed. And then on this side I toe nailed and connected it to the additional wall for the roof up there. So everything's stable. What I need to do now is connect the double joists. I just need to nail them all together. Yeah, and then I guess we can continue on with the ceiling. Make sure you subscribe. If you like stuff like this, yeah, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what's up. Give me all your feedback, blah, 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 blah. Make sure you check out the store in the bio. And hit the like button. I'll give you a kiss. Alrighty, I need to get back. Okay, nailed in all the joists together, and that about does that. Everything should be solid now. Now we go on to the ceiling. Roof rafters. I'll get it right one day. Roof rafters. Let's get it and the roof rafters. Don't ya? Don't ya now? Say cheese. Cheese. Xander, what sound does that monkey make? Hello there. It is the evening now. Just put Xander to bed. And just found out that I'm going to church tonight. We have some conference going on. Gotta be there by 7 to help take photos. So I wanted to put up my template rafter to see if it's good, and then tomorrow I can like basically knock them all out if the template's good. But I needed to make some way to make it easier to get the rafter up there, so I was going to put a couple boards across so that I could just throw the rafter up and then stick it up there. So I don't know if I even have time to do that because I still need a shower, and got 20 minutes to go to church, drive there, tend to shower off and change, 30 minutes, 6:20, that gives me 10 minutes to do it. So I think I can make it happen. Alrighty, so that one is really close. It's like 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch off. So I'll just edit my template a little bit, and then we should be good from there. And then I also will cut, that one up there just a little bit to come over. So all these over here are 19 inches overhang. And then I can cut them if I want to make them shorter. So should be good. See, I put it up there. I'll just cut 1/8 off. Made a couple extra lines on accident. Now we got this template here. Another cut here. So that about does it for today. Gotta go get ready. And we got a lot done. So that's awesome, and then I can just crush it on the roof tomorrow. Get all those done, get them all up, get them all nailed in, and then we can run forward with the sheathing. So that's really exciting. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. I'm Chris, and make sure you subscribe and go watch the next episode. See you later. See you out there. See you in the next video. Alrighty. Toodaloo. Kaboom. Oops. See ya.